Hey, I'm Evan Shelley, co-founder and CEO of Truck Parking Club, and I'm here with
Eddie Maestres.
your driver?
I'm a owner-operator.
Owner-operator.
I just started recently, so I purchased the truck and I didn't know where I was going to park it. I live in an HOA, and the HOA, absolutely no tractors allowed, much less with a trailer. So I started like doing searches and searches and searches. And I ended up parking near my house without a trailer, just the bobtail. And when I signed up with that company, I had to fill out paperwork, 3 phone calls. It was such a hassle. And then I showed up one morning to get the tractor to go to work, and I couldn't even get in. You know, and apparently you have to set it up so that so they give you access. Well, the next time I needed to park, I went with truck parking. I made my reservation on the app, done in seconds.
With Truck Parking Club?
Truck Parking Club, yes sir. And then, the day that I showed up, I was able to access with the code they sent me. That night, I went back in, no issues. The next day, I went in very early in the morning, no issues. True 24-hour access. So I am so glad I found them, because those people were giving me a hassle to get in and to get out.
So you're saying the experience with us so far has been smooth?
So far it's been great. As a matter of fact, right now I'm bobtailing, but I'm picking up a trailer on Monday, and I already have the new location where I'm going to go park.
Gotcha.
So I'm going to go make that reservation. Well, today is the last day, because I'm going to get the trailer tomorrow.
Right.
So I better have a place to park.
So you're here in Texas?
Yeah, I'm actually, I'm about 50 minutes from here.
North of Houston?
North of Houston, yeah.
Gotcha.
It's a small town called Porter.
Gotcha, cool.
Hey, Porter.
You're running loads out there, east, west, anywhere?
Anywhere,
All 48?
yes sir. But most important is a safe place to park my truck, you know?
Yeah.
And then we were just having a conversation, because the way that I've been doing it, I leave the truck there and then I Uber home. And then obviously I get my car and truck and I just switch. But I need a place that's safe enough for me to drive my nice pickup truck, leave it there, get on my truck, go work for a week or two, and come back and know that my truck's going to be there. So that is something that's invaluable to me. You know?
For sure.
So,
Have you ever called our customer service?
Actually, I have.
You have?
Yes, and the guys are great.
Yeah.
Every interaction that I've had so far has been good. They help me out, you know. When I call them and I go, hey, I'm about to book this place, I've been here before, and they give me a hard time, and you're not allowed to come 24 hours. The person that I spoke to said, don't worry about it, you're in 24 hours. We went over the specs, and lo and behold, 24-hour access.
Man, thank you for being an awesome
No,
property
thank you
member,
so much.
trucker member.
Appreciate
Yes,
it.
very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Yeah.
Use the service.